each of the day. If you want to get the more admission, the inquiry management is very, very important. If you are maintaining inquiries in Excel and if you are maintaining in a notebook, there are 90% chances you are going to miss that inquiry. Okay, so here what we are going to show you is, with the help of inquiry management software, there is no chance of missing even one inquiry. Okay, so here you can create different types of inquiry status. Okay, then what are the sources of the inquiry? Then you can add the inquiries. After clicking on the new button, you can get the option to add the inquiry. I don't want to show everything here. Then if there are any follow-ups for today, you can view the follow-ups. All the follow-up information will come here. And if you miss any follow-ups, the system will show how many follow-ups you missed. You can have that information, so that there's no chance even 1% to miss any student inquiry, because if someone missed the information, it will come here. And if you want to talk to them on the phone, just you can click here. And if you want to chat with them on the WhatsApp, here you can chat with them. Okay, this is the best software if you don't want to miss any inquiries. With the help of this inquiry management software, hundreds of schools already got very good number of admissions. They are very, very happy. And the beauty of this software is there is no chance to miss even one inquiry. If you want to know detailed, please contact us. We'll help you. Thank you.